Hi guys, it's Shami. So today I am going to do a quick abstract painting on this canvas. So this is one that I started in my class. Really, I didn't start it. It's just a whole bunch of layers of paint and texture and gesso and black gesso and modeling paste. It has a lot of beautiful texture, and I just went over it with really beautiful different shades of blue, and I'm actually going to paint this entire canvas using my fingers. I will scrape in a little bit with a toothpick and with the back of my paintbrush, but I really love using this technique to make abstracts. I love that you just make such smooth transitions into other colors when you use your fingers. Your fingers are beautiful for blending, so it's definitely one of my favorite ways to paint. And it's really fun and easy. And I just stick with one color family. So here I did just really pretty cool colors. I will add a little bit of a warm color in a second. I'll add some magenta. But really fun and easy technique. So I hope that you will check it out. You can use it on a canvas that you're really not that in love with, and just go to town and keep working. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you next time. Happy creating. Bye bye.
Dreaming about the golden coast, where celebrities and ordinary people go. I know you wanna change, we're driving state to state until you forgive me, baby. We're rolling down this freeway, down this highway. We left the past behind us, and up ahead I see California. By the time we get there, there's no regret. We took things slow, and I learned all of your virtues. But the one that lifted me, you already know. Wait and see how my arms hold you forever. There's no way